We've got a little bit of a screen wall here, so it's a privacy turn. Now this is obviously heading down to the minor bedrooms. Come and have a look. So there you go, bedroom 2, good size. Built-in flush robes. It's actually quite square. It's actually a very, very full volume bedroom, this. Bedroom 4, again, another good size. Very large bedrooms. Okay, so another minor bedroom. Again, what's going on? Yep. So built-in robe, good size, good shape, nice and square. What's going on here? Laundry, okay. Actually, I really, really like the location. So it's actually close to the kitchen and it's in the middle of the home. So, breaks it all up. Wow, check out the storage. Plenty of storage, so full measure cupboards. Look at this. It's quite stunning too, this, you know, this translucent glazed doors. Very modern. And how functional is this laundry? Look at this, mums would love this. Look at the length, the flow of the tops. Huge china insert trough. Overhead cupboards. Oh, full measure. Let's just do the whole length, why not? And of course, washing machine and dryer recess. Just works. And then you know, pull everything out into your wash basket, and then you've got the aluminium sliding door out to the side of the house to the clothesline. Very nice.